Turn me up in the headphones.
For the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. Really quick video, just want to come and give y'all an update on how well my hair is doing with the Kaleidoscope that I told y'all I would be using. I'm sorry y'all, I'm going to post a picture. The Kaleidoscope and then my own that I have created in my own little bottle here of my own product. So I have been using my own product here on the left side, Kaleidoscope on the right side, and throughout my head just to kind of compare the growth. And I'll be going over that in just a second. But my main reason for this video is to come give y'all an update on this hair. The I think it was Easy Braid. I'll post a picture. I can't remember. The hair that I chose that I thought was a winner for me, it is no longer. So I did these braids on August the 3rd, and it'll be 3 weeks tomorrow that I've had these in. And the irritation started maybe about a week ago, but as of the last 3 or 4 days, y'all, it has been unbearable. I'm talking about excruciating. I have started to develop white patches in my head, and I've been trying to put as much oil as I can in it and just, you know, rub it gently as much as I can, and nothing is helping. Like right now, this very moment, just feels like something is gnawing all through and out my scalp. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a wedding to go to this Friday, and I don't want to deal with that when I get out for work, and then I have to go go to the wedding and stuff like that. I just don't have time to deal with all of this once I take these braids out. So I'm gonna attempt to leave them in for 4 more days. Once I hit up that wedding, and then whatever the festivities are afterwards, your girl is cutting these braids completely out. I don't know what or how or where or when I'm gonna get a hair appointment, but I'm cutting these braids out. Like, I thought I finally found synthetic hair, that brand of synthetic hair that worked, but it did not this time. I don't know what was different this time, but it didn't work. So I'll be taking these out soon. And so I'm gonna send you, I'm gonna post a few pictures here to show y'all the patches. You really can't see them, but these dry white patches that are forming in my head is usually what happens when I'm getting an irritation from the synthetic hair, because I've had this before. So it becomes very inflamed. You get a couple of white patches all through your scalp. It's sometimes red in some spots, and trying to scratch it out, oh, it's just, y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all a picture, okay? And so with the Kaleidoscope, that's what I've been using. And like I said, I started using the Kaleidoscope, I think, I put the braids in August the 3rd. I started using the Kaleidoscope August the 6th, as well as my own hair growth oil I will be adding to the site soon, which will be a lot cheaper and affordable. So this is my hair. We are 3 weeks. I did a recent video to show y'all how much growth I've had. So this is only 3 weeks right now, y'all. And this is the side that I was putting my own oil in. And then this other side here is where I've been using the Kaleidoscope. So looks like my stuff is in the lead, y'all. It's in the lead, y'all. Yeah, so this is the side that I've been using with the Kaleidoscope. And as you can see, this is the side I've been using with my own. So if you can kind of see, let me see if I can grab the equal side so y'all can see my little brand is doing something over here. So yeah, so I'm gonna continue to use both of them, but I'm almost out of the Kaleidoscope because I've been using so much of it, because I create my own hair growth oil for myself. You know, it's really not that hard for me to just go make me more, which is the good thing about being able to create your own products. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this oil, I will be adding it to the website soon. I'm still going through this trial and error to see how well it does on my own hair before I add it to the site. And if you would like to try some, you can hit me up at realbluecosmetics.com. You can email me at realblue@realbluecosmetics.com. Did I already say that? I think I already said that. But anyway, so moving forward, I lied to y'all, okay? I lied to y'all. I'm just gonna say that. So I struggled in my previous video to show y'all this edge fixer glued. Can you see it? I'm gonna post a picture here of this as well. So this is made by Kiss, and it says maximum hold. It smells amazing. It smells like seriously like pineapple. It have all kind of fruit flavors. It smells like pineapple, but y'all, it don't work. Y'all seen me struggling on when I did that video trying to lay my baby hairs. It ain't laid nothing. It didn't lay nothing. Like, I just lied to y'all all up in the camera like, ooh, y'all, look at this baby hair. Look at me lay this baby hair. Just look at it. And y'all seen it wasn't laying nowhere. That was water. This product is pure water. And majority of these edge controls, especially if you are natural, if you look at the very first ingredient, it is water. So it will draw up your edges and not really lay it as you would like them. Lay them as you would like them to lay. But yeah, so, no. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, or I do like the smell of it. It does flake though and cause white in your hair, so I would not recommend this. I'm almost to the point where I might just throw it away, but you know, I don't like throwing stuff away, and I did pay $4 for it, so I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. So yeah, that's all I wanted to come through to let y'all know about today is, you know, the Kaleidoscope, how my hair is growing with my own hair growth oil, as well as compared to the Kaleidoscope, as well as the most important thing, the irritation from this hair. Looks like I'm going to be on another hunt to find some more braiding hair if I want my hair back in braids. But yeah, as y'all can see, like I said, August the 3rd, I put these braids in. It is now August the 22nd, I think. So tomorrow, or is it the 23rd? I don't know what day it is. But tomorrow will make 3 weeks, whatever it is. And my hair is growing, as y'all can see. And these braids, I was hoping it was going to last me at least 2 or 3 months at the most, but that didn't happen. So again, that's all I came through to let y'all know about today. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.
For the camera now, flick, 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 flick.